This is Rusape town. Okay, Rusape.
One of the things I noted whilst walking in Rusape was the increase in the number of vendors.
It's a hot day today. These are houses that were built before independence, and I think this neighborhood had a lot of Asians and some whites. There's a street along here, well, let me come again. This is Rusape Street, and there's a street in this neighborhood called Gopal Street, Gopal. That's an Indian name, an Asian name. I'm sure it was named after a Mr. Gopal or a Mrs. Gopal, somebody who made a big contribution to what Rusape is today. So, yeah. It's still morning and it's coming up to 10:30, but it's absolutely boiling. We got jacaranda trees. It's been very hot.
This is Gopal Avenue, the one I just spoke to you about, and do watch the upcoming videos from Zimbabwe.